Hey guys, so today I have a new bloom for you. I've been having an extremely hard time finding the base paint that I usually use in my blooms. My typical base is the Sherwin-Williams High Gloss and the Ultra Deep base. I'm running low on it, and without the ability to replace it, I decided I needed to start testing out some alternatives. I picked up this can of Valspar Reserve in Satin. It's base C, number 2916567. Now, I know that satin and high gloss are not the same, but since I mix it with the gloss Polycrylic, I figured it would kind of even out. I'm using the same ratio of 3 parts base to 1 part polycrylic. When I mix up a batch, I usually will weigh out about 6 ounces of base and 2 ounces of poly. I can then spread that out between separate cups and add my paint colors. The cell activator is mostly the same recipe as always. I wanted to make several colors of cell activator at once, so I measured out 3 parts of Floetrol, 2 parts Gluol, and about 10 drops of the Minwax Pre-Stain. This was all mixed well and then separated out into the individual cups for adding colors. Speaking of colors, I'm still obsessing over the same colors as my last 2 pours. I knew that they had to be translated into bloom paints. In case you haven't seen the other videos, the colors are the Deco Arts Pearl in Desert Turquoise, Deco Art Extreme Sheen in Deep Sapphire, Soho in Rose Madder, and then I have Amsterdam in Venetian Rose, King's Blue, and Grayish Blue. I'm using Tommy Art Mineral Paint in gold for the cell activator color. For the base, I wouldn't typically use a flat color, but it was black and it was on sale, so I decided to give it a shot. Once again, these colors produce spectacular results. The gold veins running through it just tie it all together. I think that this new base paint worked wonderfully. It was slightly more expensive than the paint I would normally buy, but it's producing consistent results, which you can see more of in the upcoming videos. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you get a chance, go ahead and subscribe. I bring a new video every Tuesday and Friday, and they range from blooms like this one to testing out new methods and pouring medium mixes. That's it from me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.